What's up, everybody? This is Titans of CNC, and last week we finished our bombastic show. It was incredible, and not only was the machining incredible, but we had incredible deals. So today we're going to actually show you some 5-axis full simultaneous machining. But before that, I just want to let you guys know, you guys can still get these incredible deals. Go to titansofcnc.com/promo, and you can get incredible deals. Doosan machines, 25 to 30% off. All of our partners coming to the table. Kennametal, crazy deals. Check it out. All right, let's go check out some machining. 5-axis. So what was your axial? What was your Z depth right there in that pocket?
So when I'm all the way down, I'm 2.8 inches.
So Stuart is going full depth, and then he's taking a radial of, what is the percentage?
Right now, I'm 50 thousandths step over all the way down because of how far out I am off of my table.
And it looks like you're about 400 inches a minute?
Yeah, about 400 inches a minute. And that small step over allows me to go fast and go through and get all my side cuts.
Awesome, awesome. We flipped it, we're on a new side. How's it going, Stuart?
Hey, it's going good. We're just going through and we're just cutting this center pocket, coming up and rest machining around to help smooth out that surface.
Nice. And you're almost done roughing the whole thing, huh?
Yeah, just like that.
That's awesome. He's being very careful because for camera purposes only, we're not running the Blaser Synergy 735 because we want to have the camera be able to see the content so you guys can see it out there. Once in a while, when it's gonna dig or ramp, he's gonna turn the coolant on, and that's why he's being very careful with this program. Like I could that's music. Like
Yeah.
I could like sleep to that. You know what I mean? I think that should be like every baby's lullaby right there. Like, oh, C-axis rocking,
Yeah.
huh? Super
No,
good.
Fifth axis is great, and it's cool to watch.
It's awesome, man. I mean, that's what it is. I mean, when you're a machinist, you want to machine incredible parts. You want to work on incredible machines. You want crazy opportunities. You want to be competitive. That makes the blood flow and stuff. And we're excited. You know, one thing that I'm excited about is that this entire process, like the inspection sheets, the setup sheets, every single tool, every speed, every feed, every depth of cut is gonna be on our academy under 5-axis. And we're gonna like teach you the entire process so you can actually duplicate this part, grab that model, and do it in your own shop to take your skills to a whole nother level. Another thing I wanna say is, oh, that's the Core 5 right there. And even though we were taking some small cuts in certain places, as soon as it tilts, it was like full radial, just all the way in axial, just making it happen. And it's a beautiful cutter. Kennametal has those cutters right now for $41. 56 for the 1/2 inch, 41 for the 3/8, and it should be a standard in your shop. When we cut anything aluminum, it's all about that Core 5. If we're cutting like titanium and steel and Monel and hard materials, it's about the Harvey 3. It is our standard. One tool to cut all materials, which saves us money. And then if we're needing to slot, you know, take big cuts with like the corner of the tool or ramp down, boom, best end mills, $41.56. Again, all of our partners, they're doing incredible discounts. Doosan, 25 to 30% off. As I mentioned, Kennametal Mastercam, 20% off. Basically our partners came to the call and gave incredible discounts. Titans of CNC, we're not taking anything. We're not taking anything. It's all about you guys getting the best deal, and I'm excited about it. To all the shop owners out there, I just wanna say, like, man, what a beautiful trade. What a beautiful industry we have, and man, let's lift up our machinists. Let's look at our young guys and actually lift them up and give them the skills. And just thank you so much for just having that grit to walk through this industry to do big things.